Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cikgu Darrel, and today we shall continue on listening and speaking. For your information, this is the second extra lesson which is on page 93 on your student's book. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to tell the time and say when you do things. As usual, before we proceed to our lesson today, let me communicate with you first the framework of our lesson. First, we shall match the clocks with the times and listen to an audio to write the times you hear. After that, we shall listen to a phone conversation and state the sports that Vicky asked about. Finally, we shall study the key phrases together by listening to the same conversation and complete a timetable. Without further ado, let us move on to the first activity of our lesson today, which is to match, listen, and write the times. Now, these are a few pictures of clocks here, and you are going to read the time on the clocks and match to the correct times in written words correctly. Let's look at picture number 1. The answer is 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock in BM means pukul 3. Next, 7:05. What should be the correct answer? It is 5 past 7, which means 5 minit selepas 7. Number 3, the answer should be quarter past 9. Normally, people would say it as 9:15, but a quarter means 15 minutes, which means 15 minit selepas 9. Next, 2:25. The answer should be 25 past 2, which means 25 minit selepas pukul 2. Following picture, 6:30. In other words, we can also say it as half past 6. Half means setengah. Setengah selepas 6. Or in other words, we can also say it as pukul 6:30. Next, 11:40. 11:40. The answer should be 20 to 12, which means there are another 20 minutes to reach 12 o'clock. In BM, we set it as 20 minit untuk sampai pukul 12. Next picture, 10:45. The answer should be quarter to 11. 10:45, which means there are another 50 minutes to reach 11 o'clock. 50 minutes equals to a quarter. Therefore, we can say it as a quarter to 11. Last picture, almost 2 o'clock but not there yet. How many minutes left? There are 10 minutes left. So, the answer should be 10 to 2. So, did you manage to match all the answers correctly? It's okay if you don't get it all correct, because you will be better as you proceed to each activity of the lessons here. Now, you are going to listen to an audio and then you are going to write the times you hear. But I will change the activity a little bit. As you listen to the audio, I'm going to display the words that you hear from the audio. Are you ready? Let's start.
Unit 2. Extra Listening and Speaking. Exercise 2. 1,
20 past 10.
2,
5 to 12.
3,
25 to 7.
4,
10 past 11.
5,
Half past 8.
6.
Quarter to 3.
So, these are the times in words that you heard from the audio just now. I'm going to explain to you first each time here one by one in BM. 20 past 10 in BM means 10.20. And 10.20, to write it in a digital time, it is like this, 10:20. Next, 5 to 12 in BM, it means 11.55. And when you convert into digital time, it is written as 11:55. Next, 25 to 7, it means 6.35. 25 minutes to 7. 25 minit untuk sampai pukul 7. Therefore, it is written as 6:35. 10 past 11. It is already 11 o'clock. So, in BM, we should set it as 11:10. 10 minutes after 11. Therefore, we should write it as 11:10. Next, half past 8. Half means setengah. In BM, it's called 8.30, which means it is 8:30 in digital time. Last but not least, quarter to 3. Remember, quarter is 50 minutes. Therefore, it's 2.45. Another 50 minutes to reach 3 o'clock. So, answer should be 2:45. Is it too difficult for you? Well, if you still don't understand until this stage, you can always rewind to the first activity and look back again. Now, let's proceed to the second activity of our lesson today. This activity is quite brief, as you are going to listen what are the spots stated by Vicky. You are going to listen to the audio and you are going to focus on these two questions. How many spots did Vicky mention? And what are those spots? This is a conversation between Vicky and a receptionist from a sports center. Are you ready? Let's start.
Unit 2. Extra listening and speaking. Exercises 3 and 4.
Hello, Holloway Sports Centre. Can I help you?
Yes. What time does the swimming pool open today?
Let's see. What's the day today?
It's Tuesday.
Tuesday, of course. The swimming pool opens at 10:30 today.
And what time does it close?
It usually closes at 8 o'clock, but it closes at 5:45 today.
I see.
Can I help you with anything else?
Yes. When's judo? Is it today?
No, it isn't. Judo is on Wednesday at 4:30.
What time does it finish?
Well, the timetable says 6 o'clock, but it usually finishes at 6:10.
And when's table tennis?
Let's see. Table tennis. Table tennis is from 4:45 to 6:15 on Monday.
That's great. Thanks for your help.
You're very welcome. Bye-bye.
So that's the end of the audio. Now, how many spots did Vicky mention and what are they? Well, before I reveal the answer, you might think that there were 3 spots that Vicky mentioned. However, the real answer should be only 2, and those spots which were mentioned were judo and table tennis. You might question, why is there no swimming? In the conversation just now, Vicky asked about swimming pool and she did not ask about swimming. Swimming pool is a place, it's not a sport. So did you manage to get the correct answer? If so, well done. Now let's proceed to the final activity of our lesson today, which is to listen and complete the sport activities timetable. But before that, let's go through the key phrases first, which are used to talk about timetables. Number 1. What time does the swimming pool open or close? It means pukul berapakah kolam renang buka ataupun tutup. Number 2, what time does it start or finish? Pukul berapakah ia mula ataupun tamat? Number 3, at 8 o'clock, pada pukul 8. Number 4, from quarter to 5 to quarter past 6 on Monday, dari pukul 4.45 hingga 6.15 pada hari Isnin. So these are the key phrases that you can always use and substitute when you talk about timetables. Well, you are going to listen to the audio now and you are going to complete this table as well. Bear in mind that you are going to listen to the same audio again, and this time the focus of listening will be different, where you will listen to the specific time mentioned by the receptionist about what time does the swimming pool open or close on Tuesday, as well as what time does judo start on Wednesday. At the same time, you will also need to listen to what sport is mentioned for number 3 here and what time does this sport end on Monday. Are you ready? Let's start.
Unit 2. Extra listening and speaking. Exercises 3 and 4.
Hello, Holloway Sports Centre. Can I help you?
Yes. What time does the swimming pool open today?
Let's see. What's the day today?
It's Tuesday.
Tuesday, of course. The swimming pool opens at 10:30 today.
And what time does it close?
It usually closes at 8 o'clock, but it closes at 5:45 today.
I see.
Can I help you with anything else?
Yes. When's judo? Is it today?
No, it isn't. Judo is on Wednesday at 4:30.
What time does it finish?
Well, the timetable says 6 o'clock, but it usually finishes at 6:10.
And when's table tennis?
Let's see. Table tennis. Table tennis is from 4:45 to 6:15 on Monday.
That's great. Thanks for your help.
You're very welcome. Bye-bye.
So that's the end of the video. Now let's focus on the time of closing for swimming pool on Tuesday. Swimming pool on Tuesday closes at 5:45 p.m., 5:45. How about judo on Wednesday? What time does it start? It starts on 4:30 p.m., or in other words in the audio it mentioned 4:30. And the sport which was mentioned by Vicky just now, it was table tennis. And table tennis starts on Monday at 4:45 until 6:15. So these are the answers. Did you manage to listen to it correctly? If so, congratulations. Well class, this is a sample dialogue that I'm going to show you. The key phrases that we have gone through just now, you can use it here and practice the sample dialogue together with your friends or siblings at home. This is a conversation this time between Alex and a receptionist. Now let's go through the sample dialogue first here together. What time is the swimming pool open on Wednesday? It's open from 10:15 to 8 o'clock. When's basketball? It's on Tuesday at 4:45. What time does it finish? It finishes at 5:15. 4:45 means 3:45, and the 5:15 means 5:15. So practice this dialogue with your siblings or your friends online. So that's the end of our lesson today. This is the Google Form exercise that I have prepared for you. Feel free to just scan the QR code right in front of your screen, or you may click on the link that I have provided in the video description below. If you're a teacher and you would like to make a copy of this Google Form exercise, feel free to do so by just scanning the QR code right in front of your screen, or you may click on the link in the video description as well. As usual, don't forget to visit my Facebook page, Cikgu Darrel, and give it a like if possible. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell so that you will always get notified whenever I update my playlist. With that, I would like to thank you for watching, and I should see you at the next video. Bye.